with the company Canada Metal Pacific, or CMP. One of the things we're going to talk about today is Martyr Anodes and the aluminum alloy. So aluminum has been around for quite some time with OEMs, but it hasn't been in the aftermarket. And so one of the reasons why we want to talk about it today is that there's a bit of a concern as far as the toxicity of zinc anodes, and that's typically what people think these are, zinc anodes. So aluminum is actually being used in the OEMs and the aftermarket because it has many different benefits that zinc doesn't, such as aluminum can work in multiple water types, such as freshwater, brackish water, and also salt water. When it comes to salt water, aluminum actually outperforms zinc by about 5%, lasts longer than zinc, and actually protects better than zinc. And that's a big benefit to the boaters. Plus, it doesn't have any cadmium, which is an actual toxic metal that's found in all zinc anodes. In North America, they're actually trying to ban zinc anodes, and we're taking that message to the international community, such as BLA. As far as the anodes go, we actually have anodes in kits, such as this product. And this has all the different anodes that a person would need to switch on their engine, including hardware and installation instructions. We also have it in the individual products for the boat owner, just to replace the one or two anodes that they might need. So for more information, contact your BLA sales team and they can provide you more information on the product.